Good morning, everyone. We're here to wash out another tie-dye.
I don't want to trip you.
It'll be all right.
Not a lot of blue in this one.
I was going to say, we got a beauty on the screen today, but we were worried about the green, and it seems we were worried for the wrong reason.
Could have been worried about the blue.
So there's plenty of green. I'm very excited about this one. This is my envisionment of the black hole again. We're going to see how it turns out. It's got a lot of dark colors in it, so we'll have to rinse it out here pretty good, but then we're going to move it on inside of the running water in about a minute. And we'll be good to go. First impressions though are fairly positive.
Let's go inside.
To the inside.
Not much I can do with this one out here.
Yeah, it is kind of banded tight.
No, it's just all in a ball, pretty much.
It's got a lot in it.
Okay, let's go.
Tucked inside there. Look at that beauty.
Whoa. No. We're filming, Miss Fluffer. You gotta be quiet.
Look at all that
Do people ever say anything about our cat?
No, not all the way. Not all the way into the video. They will this time though, I'm sure.
About our beautiful cat. Our first one.
Wonderful Mrs. Fluffers. We really do.
And hopefully we'll have a dog soon, and we'll have two beautiful animals.
I already got enough creatures around here I'm chasing after. First impression.
Not my color palette.
Not your color palette, I know.
So,
Definitely
it's
more
not
of
colors I would have chosen.
Definitely more of a deep, dark tone, you know. Gotta do one for the boys every now and then. One for the people that like dark colors. We all need some deep colors every now and then, you know. Vibrancy. I don't know if vibrancy is the right word. You know what I mean. Let's see what we got. That's not bad. Look at that. That's a pretty good black hole. Yeah. Look at that. Kind of looks like the sun's coming off of it. Yeah. I like it.
I like to. As long as you like
color
it.
palette, but I know.
As long as you like it.
I like. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Alrighty. This one came out alright. You know, I want to do like a cosmic bullseye with this one. So for that to really be true, it would need black in these little areas where the white is. So we didn't use quite enough black. It's always a struggle with the black, especially like the better black and the raven black, the darker ones, because they just overtake so well. They take the color over so well. You got to be real careful. And apparently she was just a little bit too conservative on the dye there, but that's okay. You know, still is a beautiful, beautiful shirt. And this one even has a little bit of white left on it, which gives it a little more character. But yeah, not bad. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.